It's a very well-known fact that Python is the most popular programming language for data science. Usually aspiring data scientists start to learn about the basics of Python and start by solving programming exercises, developing games, and memorizing software algorithms. Instead, they should learn the various well-established and popular Python modules and libraries. This is because data scientists rarely build projects from scratch. They analyze and manipulate data with the help of the aforementioned modules and libraries. The first step of an aspiring data scientist should be to set up the Jupyter programming environment. It enables one to put many of the elements commonly involved in data science together in one document, such as plots, formulae, comments, images, and code. One can execute Python code, generate graph and plots, input formulae in LaTeX or ASCII, and even use different programming languages in the same notebook. Next, they should learn how to work with the Numpy and Pandas library. The former provides fully optimized multidimensional arrays, and the latter provides data analysis and data manipulation functions. Next, they should learn how to perform visualization with the popular Matplotlib library. It can create several different types of plots. And lastly, they should learn how to use SQL with Python because they will have to work with databases. And for that, they need a good querying languages.